Hello and welcome to the very first episode of the English Power Podcast, your new best friend in learning real, natural, and powerful English. I'm so glad you're here. And let me tell you, this is not a boring English class. This is not about passing exams. This is about your life, your growth, your dream. You didn't come here by accident. You're listening right now because deep inside you, there's a fire. A voice that says, I want to speak better English. I want to grow. I want to open new doors in my life. And let me tell you something. That voice, that dream, it matters. Maybe you've tried before. Maybe you've studied English in school. You memorized grammar rules, wrote essays, passed exams. But when it comes to speaking English in real life, at work, with friends, or online, you freeze. You get nervous. You stop yourself. Does that sound like you? If yes, you are not alone. Thousands, even millions of people feel the same. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way anymore. This podcast is here to help you break that fear. Not just to study English, but to live it. We're going to learn English the natural way, with real conversations, clear explanations, practice, and most importantly, with motivation. Because when you're learning a language, your mind needs two things: consistency and belief. Let me tell you a quick story. There was a young man in a small town in India. He had a dream to work in a big international company. But his English was weak. Every time he tried to speak, people laughed or corrected him. He felt small, embarrassed. He almost gave up. But one day, he made a decision. I will improve, no matter how long it takes. So every single day, he listened to English podcasts, watched English shows, read short articles, practiced speaking, even if it was just to himself in front of a mirror. And guess what? 6 months later, he gave his first job interview in English. 1 year later, he got a promotion. Today, he's working with international clients, speaking fluently, and living the dream he once thought was impossible. That man is not a superhero. He's not special. He's just like you. The only difference, he started. And he didn't stop. And that's what I want for you. Learning English is not about talent. It's not about being perfect. It's about building a small habit, and repeating it every day. Think about this. If you listen to just one podcast every day for the next 30 days, even if you don't understand every word, even if you just catch 50% of it, you will still be 10 times better than you are today. Because you're training your ears. You're learning the rhythm. You're building your vocabulary. And most of all, you're showing up. That's why I want you to say this out loud right now. Yes, say it with me, wherever you are. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I will not give up. Say it again. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I will not give up. You don't need to speak like a native. You just need to speak with courage. And with practice, you will get better, naturally. In this podcast, I'll be your guide, your coach, your English buddy. Together, we'll explore simple English for daily life, common phrases and vocabulary, how to speak with confidence, real listening practice, motivation to stay consistent. And here's a little secret. Every time you listen, even if you're just doing the dishes or walking outside, your brain is learning, your mind is growing. So please don't worry about understanding 100%. Just relax, listen, feel, repeat. Let English become a part of your life. You've already done the hardest part, you've started. Now the only job is to keep going. Even when you're tired, listen. Even if you missed a few days, come back. Even when it feels slow, trust the process. Because step by step, day by day, you will reach fluency. So I want to end today's episode with one final message. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for everything to be easy. Start today. Not someday. You have the power. You have the potential. You have the heart. And this podcast will walk with you every step of the way.